Okay, so let's get started. There are several ways to bring up the Task Manager on your PC. For example, you can press the Control-Alt-Delete button on your keyboard or right-click on the taskbar down at the bottom of your screen. The quickest and easiest way that I like is to right-click at the bottom of the screen. Once your Task Manager loads, there are several tabs across the top. We are really only going to focus on these three: the Applications, the Processes, and the Performance tabs. First, all the programs you are currently running are at the Applications tab. So if you want to view, or sometimes you just want to quit the program, this is the easy way. Just come here, click End Task, ends the program. Sometimes for some odd reasons you'll have it to where you don't know what's running for some reason. This is a good way to stop it. The next tab that we'll be looking at is called the Processes tab. I like this tab because it kind of gives you an overall view of everything that's running in the background, whether it's a program or a process. The quick way to look at this, if you know what you're looking for and you want to view it in a sorted view, click here at the top where it says Image Name. This will kind of put it in everything in alphabetical order. It makes it easier for you to view everything you need. If you need to stop a program from running or a process from running, just highlight it just by clicking on it and click End Process, and this will stop the program from running. Usually it'll give you a little warning message. Just click yes and it should be okay. Before you do that though, it is very important that you know the process or the program that you're stopping, because sometimes if you stop the wrong program, your system will crash. Quick way to find out what this is that's running on your computer, like this one for instance, is to do a quick Google search. This will lead you to the answers usually right away. The next thing I want to look at here is the CPU. The CPU is basically what's running on the processor. Sometimes the computer will lock up and there's something running on the processor. You want to know what it is. If you click on it twice, it'll bring up the top. At the top here, it'll bring up the most current, the thing that's using up the most CPU. Right now what's being used a lot is the program that I'm using to actually record this. This memory usage thing here will also give you, if you click it twice, it'll give you what's using the most memory. Very useful when you're trying to figure out what's going on, maybe your computer's slowed down or stopped. The Performance tab is going to give you an overall view of the process and how it's going. If sometimes the CPU is running a little slower or faster, you kind of want to know what's going on. Sometimes your computer has stopped or slowed down and you want to see if it's either the memory or the CPU. This will kind of give you an idea of what's going on. The next thing we want to look at here is the menu up the top. The one that's most important for me, at least for this video, is the shutdown. I like to use this just in case my computer, I cannot shut my computer down on a normal way. In other words, if I click on the Start menu at the bottom and it doesn't come up and I'm not sure what's going on, I click this. It's a quick way to start your computer without you having to push the button and just hold it down. For more questions or more tips or topics on this Task Manager, go to your Help menu. Click Task Manager Help Topics and you should review anything that you mostly need. This should be it for our video for today. If you need any more questions or you have if you want any more tips, please visit us at www.bitconnects.net. Thank you.